Hey, Aubrey. Do you know how to dial it?
No.
See if you can figure it out.
Should I dial your number?
Sure, just dial any number.
Is it good, like...
Yes. Dial 911. Okay.
Do I have to wait for it to stop? But it's at the one. Like that?
Yeah, how long do you think it would take to dial like a 10-digit phone number?
20 minutes. I've seen them.
And then how do you hang the phone up? Do you have to hang it up like that?
Or do you just press the button? Or do you go like that? That would make sense.
Okay, what do you think you did to keep the phone from ringing?
When it's already like this?
No, I mean, you can hang it up if you want to.
I press this button.
No, remember, that's to hang it up. Where's the do not disturb?
Is it this? No, that would hang it up too. You just can't.
You can.
This? No. That
No.
isn't pushed in. Just unplug it.
Do you think you'd have the patience to use a phone like that now?
No.
You don't?
It just doesn't make sense to me.
What do you think we did if we were really mad when we hung up?